I get this question all the time. Devin, how can you tell whether a bad YouTube thumbnail or a weak intro is killing your video? Here's the clean way to diagnose it. First, look at impressions and CTR. If YouTube is giving the video impressions, but your click-through rate is clearly below your normal range on similar videos, that's usually a packaging problem. Thumbnail, title, or the promise just isn't strong enough to earn the click. Second, if the CTR is decent for your channel, but the retention graph falls off hard in the first 15 to 30 seconds, that's not a thumbnail problem, that's your intro. Usually it means you started too slow, repeated the title, or delayed the payoff. Here's my operator rule. Low CTR plus normal early retention means the thumbnail and title are the bottleneck. Normal CTR plus bad early retention means the intro is the bottleneck. Bad CTR and bad retention usually means mismatch. The thumbnail made one promise and the opening delivered something else. One more thing beginners miss. Compare against your own recent videos, not random viral channels. A 4% CTR might be weak on one channel and totally fine on another depending on traffic source and topic. So use this 3-step check. 1, compare CTR to your last 10 similar uploads. 2, check the first 30 seconds of retention. 3, ask whether the first line of the video caches the promise the thumbnail made. If you want to make this easier, Satara is useful as the workflow layer because it helps you review packaging, hooks, and performance in one system instead of guessing from memory. That's the real test. Click quality first, then intro hold, then promise match.